Dear students, I welcome you all for another presentation. And in today's presentation, I would like to give you a brief information about the upcoming GATE examination 2027. Right? So, the GATE is nothing but it is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, right? Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering going to be held for the year 2027, right? So this GATE examination 2027 is going to be held in the month of February, in the month of February 2027. Remember this, very, very important dates actually. The examination is going to be held in the month of February 2027, and the registration process is going to start from August, right? The registration process is going to start from the coming August, nothing but from the next month onwards, almost all it is 14th of, right? 14th of August. Okay, 14th of August is the registration process will starts for GATE 2027, right? And very, very important is that what is the organizing institute? As you already well aware of that, every year the prestigious premier institutions of our country, nothing but the Indian Institute of Technologies, that is IITs, right? IITs, Indian Institute of Technologies, they will conduct normally each year. So every year, different IIT will conduct the GATE examination. And for the GATE 2027, IIT Madras is the organizing institute. IIT Madras, right? Indian Institute of Technology, okay? IIT Madras is the organizing institute for GATE 2027, IIT Madras. Okay, you can check the details in by logging in www.iitm.ac.in. That is the website of IIT Madras. There you will get a lot of information regarding the registration process and how to apply and what are the cutoff dates and all the remaining details of the GATE 2027. Therefore, as the date is coming very quickly, very nearer of for the registration, therefore, dear students who are studying the BTECs, especially the third year students, okay, both the third year as well as the final year students are eligible to apply for this GATE 2027. Okay, not only the final year students, the third year students are also eligible to apply the GATE 2027. Remember that 14th August of 2026, nothing but the coming month, August month, and 14th of August, the registration process will positively going to start, right? Positively going to start from this date onwards. Therefore, so please carefully follow the instructions. And when the exam is going to conduct, I already told you that in the month of February 2027. Therefore, roughly from the next month onwards, you will have a beautiful time of 5 months, solid 5 months. You will have an excellent time as 5 months period is there. It is quite enough to crack the GATE 2027, right? 5 months time is there. It is enough time actually. It is more than enough to crack the GATE examinations, dear students. And I wish all the very best to all the third year as well as the final year students of the BTECs in both of our Telugu states as well as the other states of our country and the students of our India. Therefore, I wish you all the very best. And okay, so you please check the syllabus of your branch of engineering. Therefore, each discipline, nothing but the electronics as well as the triple or computer science or all the discipline wise, you please take the PDF copy of that syllabus, nothing but GATE syllabus, and you just read it one or two times. You scan it the syllabus. Therefore, the entire syllabus will be known to your mind. Your mind will read that. Okay, therefore, and after that, you prioritize the subjects depending on your own interest, right? Based on your own interest, you have to prioritize the subjects with which you have to start first. Therefore, never take the boring subject first. You start from the subject which you like more, your interesting subject. You must start with your interesting subject, and similarly, and the go to the next priority, like that. You have to choose your subjects as per your interest, and you should prepare very well, and you should become the master in that, right? So, and I already so this is quite a common practice only since so many years, whatever the organizing institutes are following regarding this gate examinations. So you already know that. So basically there are 65 questions will be there. 65 questions will be there. It is for 100 marks. You already know it. This is the gate pattern, right? 65 questions will be given, and it is conducted for the 100 marks. In this, what are the various categories? You have multiple choice questions, MCQs, multiple choice questions, and the second one is multiple select questions, and the third one is the numerical answer type. Numerical answer type questions. Numerical answer type questions, right? Therefore, almost all numerical answer type like mathematics and all these things. So basically, your 65 questions are normally cover these three categories: MCQs, multiple choice questions, multiple select questions, and numerical answer type questions. Right? These are the different things which we have in the GATE examinations. Remember that there are 65 questions, it is for 100 marks, and the duration is 3 hours. The duration is 3 hours. The duration is 3 hours, right? And one more important thing is the validity of the gate scorecard. The validity of the gate scorecard, it is for 3 years. So once you qualify in the gate examination, you will be issued a scorecard. Okay, scorecard. That scorecard, okay, score card or nothing but your final result card. So scorecard is validity for 3 years. It is validity for 3 years, right? It is validity for 3 years. Even the third year students also, okay, the third year students also eligible. The third year students are also eligible to appear for gate examinations. Therefore, in prayer, I would like to bring your kind notice that, so that you will get aware, and you will be, I mean, you will get prepared, and okay, it is good for you to, okay, uh, remember that dates and all these things. Therefore, I wish you all the very best for your preparation, and start very quickly and thoroughly, and make all the short notes and formulas, practice and prepare. Okay, and you definitely will going to get a good percentile in the upcoming gate 2027. Okay, wish you all the very best. Thank you. For the more details, please, I mean, log on to www.iitm.ac.in. That is the website for the IIT Madras, right? So all the very best. Okay, thank you.